This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Emanuel. Welcome home to effortless luxury and low maintenance living in this immaculate lakefront condo. Thoughtfully designed with a calming coastal aesthetic, this move-in ready home offers the perfect blend of comfort, style, and convenience. The spacious primary suite features a spa-inspired ensuite bath and oversized walk-in closet, while a secondary bedroom and full bath are conveniently located on the first floor. Natural light fills the open office or sitting room and flows into the expansive living, dining, and kitchen, creating an ideal space for entertaining or everyday living. The beautifully appointed kitchen showcases modern finishes and ample workspace. Upstairs, a private bedroom and full bath provide flexible space for guests, a home office, or hobby room. Enjoy exceptional community amenities including a clubhouse, pool, fitness center, private courtyard, and attached two-car garage, conveniently located near Harbour View shopping.